So you installed Windows 11. It looks clean, modern, smooth, but your PC? It feels slow, laggy, sometimes even unusable. Opening apps takes forever, switching tabs feels delayed, and your system struggles with basic tasks. And here's the truth, Windows 11 on 4 GB RAM is not optimized out of the box. But that doesn't mean your PC is useless. Because with the right tweaks, you can make it faster, more responsive, and actually enjoyable to use again. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful fixes that will free up RAM, reduce lag, and improve overall performance. No upgrades needed. No risky tools, just simple changes that actually work. Let's start with the most important one. Let's start with the most powerful fix on a 4 GB system, virtual memory. Think of virtual memory as backup RAM. When your physical RAM fills up, Windows uses your storage drive to handle extra tasks. But here's the problem. By default, Windows manages this automatically. And on low-end PCs, it constantly resizes the page file. That causes stuttering, freezing, and slow performance. We're going to fix that by setting a stable value. Press Windows plus S, type View Advanced System Settings, open it. Under Performance, click Settings, go to the Advanced tab, click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck. Automatically manage paging file size. Select your main drive, usually C. Choose Custom Size. Set Initial Size, 4096 MB, Maximum Size, 8192 MB, click Set, then OK. Restart your PC. This creates a stable memory buffer. No constant resizing, no unnecessary lag spikes. On a 4 GB PC, this alone can make a big difference. Now let's talk about a hidden performance killer, memory integrity. This is part of Windows security. It protects your system using virtualization. But here's the issue. It constantly uses RAM and adds CPU overhead. On a 4 GB system, that's a big problem. Disabling it can free up hundreds of MB. Here's how. Press Windows plus I, go to Privacy and Security, click Windows Security. Then go to Device Security, click Core Isolation Details. Turn off memory integrity. Restart your PC. Important note, you are reducing one layer of security, so be careful online. Avoid unknown downloads and keep Windows security on. For low-end PCs, this trade-off is worth it. More free RAM, better performance, less lag. Next, we fix SysMain. This feature tries to preload apps into RAM. Sounds helpful, but on 4 GB RAM, it actually makes things worse. It uses memory for apps you're not even using. That leaves less RAM for real tasks. Let's disable it. Press Windows plus R, type Services MSC, press Enter. Scroll down, find SysMain. Right-click, click Properties. Set Startup Type to Disabled. Click Stop. Then apply OK. Restart your PC. Now your system stops wasting RAM. Apps may open slightly slower at first, but overall performance improves because your RAM is now used properly. Your browser might be the biggest reason your PC feels slow. Even if you don't realize it, every website you visit stores data, cache files, cookies, images, scripts. All of this is saved to make websites load faster next time. But over time, it builds up and becomes a problem, especially on low-end PCs with 4 GB. This works in almost every browser, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. This opens the clear browsing data window instantly. No need to go into settings, no searching, just one shortcut, and you're in. Windows 11 looks good, but those effects use resources. Animations, transparency, shadows on 4 GB RAM, they slow things down. Let's disable them. Press Windows plus S, search Performance, open it. Click Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select Custom, uncheck everything. Then enable Smooth edges of screen fonts show thumbnails instead of icons, click Apply. Also go to Settings, right arrow personalization, right arrow colors, turn off transparency effects. Now your system focuses on speed, not visuals. Result, faster response, less lag, better performance. Your power settings affect performance. By default, Windows limits speed to save power. Let's fix that. Press Windows plus I, go to System, click Power and Battery. Find Power Mode. Set it to best performance. Now your CPU runs at higher speeds. Apps open faster. System feels smoother. Important tip: on laptops, plug in your charger, because performance drops on battery. This setting gives your PC full power. Finally, clean your system, because junk files slow everything down. Temporary files cache old updates, they build up over time, and reduce performance. Here's how to fix it. Press Windows +I, go to System, click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Set it to run weekly. This automatically removes junk files. You can also click Clean Up Recommendations, delete unnecessary files. This frees up space instantly. Cleaner system, faster PC. Let's quickly go over everything. Fix virtual memory, disable memory integrity, turn off SysMain, use efficiency mode, reduce visual effects, switch to performance mode, and clean your system. These changes free up RAM, reduce lag, and make Windows 11 usable on 4 GB. You don't need a new PC, you just need the right setup. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple PC fixes.